Today, I'm going to show you how to take this jump on the vertex and turn it into a free biomechanical analysis using OpenCap. This is only to be used with research and academic purposes, so please keep that in mind. Now, I'm going to showcase the process of making a calibration device on which you could simply just print out on a piece of paper, but we're much cooler than that. Now, I'm just showcasing sending it from my iPad after making it, and then from my computer, sending it to the 3D printer. Very, very fun. I know. And then a quick little time lapse right after this, just showcasing the black keys getting printed out, and then the final product. Following, I'm actually going to showcase the calibration process, but before I totally bore you to death, I'm also going to show a few jumps. This was a fairly okay jumping day. I'm a right left jumper. I did do some right left and then left right, which were very, very interesting. Just showcasing camera one, camera two. I used my iPad as well as my iPhone. I believe on that last jump, I actually did touch the blue, but I wasn't fully sure, and I did not want to go to the camera and zoom in and really go through all that effort because I was already running late. So we played it conservative just to showcase the height here. Yeah, that was wonky. That was super, super wonky. That's okay. Little slow-mo action of me missing. Not the greatest thing. I think it was a bit, very ticked off, and that's okay. All right, here's our finished board. Now, this was done prior to these jumps. This program, which is like a web design, it's opencap.com. I believe I could be butchering that, but something along those lines. It showcases a QR code after you make an account. Did both for my iPhone as well as the iPad, put into view that you can see all joint segments and angles at all times during the video. Calibration checkerboard, excuse me, and then there is a pose estimation per individual that is going to be in camera view. Here's a fun slow-mo video of me missing, I believe. Yikes. And then we have a few examples as our jump to analysis, just showcasing the hip, the pelvis, and the knees at different joint angles. I was very interested in seeing what my center of mass was doing and what my knee valgus or hip adduction from both the right and the left were doing. As stated, I'm a right-left jumper. But it was very interesting to see how these numbers would change depending on my approach from left-right and then right-left, and how my body would compensate to achieve these goals of jumping as high as possible. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out. That is what I'm here for.